bro. Bro! What's up, y'all? This is just the mode. So if you want the regular thing, you know, do usual. Like, share, subscribe, all that stuff. By the way, we were just arguing over doing the cart or the regular mode because I get hit by way too many rockets. So enjoy the video. So we ain't doing it.
Whatever. We're playing the cart one.
We're not doing the cart. I'll be damned.
Oh my god. Oh man. I might have to shit it out for this one.
And this nigga ain't gonna ready up. How? I literally fucked. Whatever.
Miss.
Oh, what? I didn't know. Oh, what the fuck? There you go. No.
Come on, Fantasy, go in front of me. Come on. What's wrong?
No, I'm good. I'm good.
Get in front of me, bro. Get in front
What
of
you
me.
doing, bro?
Get in front of
What are
me.
you doing? No, I ain't going in front of you. Yeah, hell no. I gotta go. He's about to hit me with the thing.
Nigga. Fuck.
Dead.
Oh my god, this fucking snow, bro. Oh fuck.
Bruh.
What the fuck? Why did he?
I don't know what.
Uh-oh, who's ever in first place? You're screwed.
God damn it.
Like, bro, I'm so fucking tired of all of you, bro. I hate all of you.
Why the fuck is my drifting so off? What am I clicking?
Fuck, bro. I'm messing all my stuff up. My fucking god.
Uh-oh.
Bro, what? Finally, bro.
Let's go. I got second. I'm not locked in. I need to be serious.
Bro, you ain't doing shit with that gorilla, bro.
You forgot about last time, though. Last time when I said this, I won first place.
See, that was all because Fancy sold.
Well, I wasn't that game. Yo, could you fucking ready up? Fucking gopher, whatever the fuck you are.
I think it's an otter.
Otter. Yeah, otter. Fucking otter. Oh shit. Oh, what the fuck? My shit just lagged. Yo, my shit's laggy.
Oh my fucking god. Like, bro, I'm so tired of it. I'm so tired of it.
That banana was not hitting nobody.
Hey!
Bro, I'm so no. I hate them all. I hate you all. I hate you all. I hate you all.
What did I do?
Go behind me now.
Why?
You wanna know, buddy?
Oh shit. I went to the wrong way. I can't turn around.
Uh-oh.
Why is that at me?
I don't know, bro. Oh.
Oh my god, and I missed.
What the fuck? Yo, move out the way!
Literal piece of shit.
No.
No, that's myself!
Guys?
Piece of shit.
I let this nigga in front of me on purpose. I stop. I saw what he had in his head. He was out for blood, bro.
No, I didn't even get to get a weapon.
Like,
Fuck, you
bro.
froze me, bro.
That was fantasy for sure, bro.
No, I fucking froze you.
You did it?
Damn it, bro. Fuck
Like,
you,
bro.
Fantasy.
What did I do?
You froze me.
I froze you and
A
Dion.
weapon.
Cause both of y'all niggas like to throw rockets and shit.
I didn't even get a rocket that time. That was Dion and fucking them. I literally
Yeah.
saw the rocket go right past me when we went under that tunnel. bro.
Like,
It
that
was
shit was
easy.
so fucking stupid, bro. This nigga's like, get behind me, Fantasy, get behind me. Nigga don't even care about, like, winning and shit. He's like,
And then I
pissing-
saw him shoot
like,
another one.
It's fucking bum, bro. This homeless bum just likes pissing me off, bro. I hate this nigga. I hate him. I hate him. I hate him. I hate him.
Yeah.
I hate him. I hate him. I hate him.
Yeah, look. I'm gonna target some other nigga, alright?
Like, why not target Fantasy or some shit?
Then he's gonna target me.
My favorite one's the night one, but
Yeah, I
There we
got
go.
it.
I got a rocket.
move.
Oh man. Not me.
Oh shit. Fantasy, do it, do it, do it.
now. Do it now, Fantasy.
Do it.
Do it, you pussy.
Fantasy, you fucking bum ass nigga, bro. Like, bro. And then I got froze. And then I got froze.
Oh my god, I got fucking frozen, bro.
Take up right there. Let go. Oh shit. Okay.
What the fuck?
Hey, Dion.
No, why did it break?
No fucking way you shot me with
Oh
the
god.
rocket.
Oh god.
You could have
I
saved
gotta
that
go.
shit.
I could've, but...
Oh, that
Fuck.
banana hit me.
Bro,
Alright, my
fuck.
Oh, froze. Ah. Ew.
Come on, bro. Come on, I need something. Give me something.
Miss.
Bro, and then he bumped me, and then I got hit. Yep, and that's the game for me.
Oh my god.
And that's the game. Great. 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 Fucking great.
I went from
Great.
fourth to first. Oh.
Great. Great. Fucking great.
Okay, I didn't shoot you with a rocket.
No, I don't care. I don't care who did it. I fuck all of you. Hate all of you, bro. The only one to get a rocket hit me, and now I'm last. I fucking hate this game, bro.
That was
Stupid ass shit, bro.
Bro, like how? Uh-oh. Yo, that's crazy. I didn't expect him to be there.
Like, bro, I'm so tired
I'm
of
just
this.
in last place.
Uh-oh.
Surprised that just didn't hit me.
I'm also surprised that she didn't hit you, honestly.
Hey, CJ.
And then this nigga.
CJ, get behind me now or else.
Fuck you.
God damn it.
What did you get? Look at the way you
And I completely missed
Hey, you're
it.
in the way.
Great.
Hey, you took my box. God damn it.
And then this nigga steals it. Like, oh my god, how much you gotta be on my dick?
I'm sorry, bro.
No.
Oh.
Like, I can't catch a fucking break in this shit. Oh!
All right. Here it goes. Rocket time.
What the hell was that?
Oh,
Yeah, bro? Yeah? Come on, go, go,
I did
go.
not mean to do that.
Stupid bitch. Yeah, keep going, keep going.
Bye-bye.
Fuck you, nigga. Yeah, keep going, keep going. You stupid bitch. I'm gonna keep hitting me and shit.
I only hit you once, bro.
No, fuck you.
Once. I only hit you once, bro.
Yeah, keep
I'm
throwing
not
them
hitting
fucking
everyone
rocket
with a
launchers at me and shit.
Bro, I only hit you once. No.
Nah.
My God. Hey, guys.
Oh my god. Ain't no way! Yo, Fancy, please
Oh my god, bro. I fucking hate the eyes.
That one felt
Eyes,
pretty
bro.
good. That one was pretty good. Not only did I hit to get some niggas with some rocket launchers, but that was nice. That one was nice.
What's with a rocket?
No! You should not shot me at all!
I was
Nigga.
trying to shoot someone, bro.
Yeah, and that someone should have been
Come
me,
on, bro.
nigga.
Ready up. Oh.
This
Yeah, buddy.
nigga.
Wait, no. Fuck. Well,
Don't tell me a unicorn. Oh.
I'm
Alright.
serious.
Nigga.
This shit doesn't want to work.
Yo!
Like, no matter what time I do it, it just doesn't want to work. Wow, the most useless objects.
Oh, for real? Alright, bet. Pussy.
What happened? I just saw like a little like
Yep,
smoke.
didn't do shit, nigga. Fuck you. Always hitting me with that shit.
I'm not gonna
Oh my god, I
lie.
mastered the drifting.
Ever's in
I
front of
mastered the
me?
drifting.
Better get away
Oh, man.
from me.
Do it, fantasy.
Oh
Whoever's
my
in
God.
front of me,
Alright,
better get away.
where is he?
Oh shit.
Keep going.
Oh, shit. Whoa. That was CJ. Oh god.
Bitch.
Bro, run your
Stupid
right,
bitch.
bro.
I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah?
Jumper!
Who thinks I care? I'm gonna just get my gift back, nigga. Oh my god. Damn, people. Let's get back, nigga.
Leon!
Two rockets.
No?
God.
All that, just oh my fucking god, fantasy.
Yeah. Yo.
So.
I hit
Yo.
everyone with a rocket launcher.
No,
with
bro,
humanity.
no. The double rocket only happened because your bitch has just wanted to go behind me at last second.
Hey,
That was meant for Dion, bro.
Yeah, if I
I
got my
hate D-
rocket, I would have all it.
That was meant for Dion and you. I had 2 rockets.
How did I get
No,
by?
it's crazy.
How did I get hit by 2 rockets? That don't even make sense.
I hit Dion with the rocket.
I was trying to hit fantasy with the rocket, but it hit you.